Hi guys, I'm Haley Morales and today I'm doing a spring makeup tutorial. This video is a collab with Paris Buscum. She's like one of my really good friends. I've been talking to her for like a couple months or maybe more than that, and we're just like really close, and she has a YouTube channel, so I'll link it down below. She does like all sorts of videos kinda. They're mostly related to like lifestyle, I guess. Yeah, she lives in Australia, so she has this cute little accent, and yeah, I just love her so much. She's doing an autumn makeup tutorial because in Australia it's like they call it autumn. I mean, we call it autumn too, but we usually call it fall. So over there it's fall, so she's doing an autumn makeup tutorial and I'm doing a spring makeup tutorial. So yeah, also I'm wearing my merch. The new stock has not come in yet, sadly, so y'all are gonna be stuck with no merch for a little bit. Okay, so since this is spring, I'm just gonna do kind of basic, I guess. I'm gonna start with the brows. So I'm gonna go into the Anastasia Brow Wiz in the shade Ebony. This is like $18 or $20. It's pretty expensive, but it works nice. And my bangs look so cute today because I blow dried them. For the brows, well actually, should I do primer first? Nah, I'm good. Okay, I'm gonna brush them up like that. Okay, the camera is not, I need to zoom y'all in. What's up? I'm gonna have cute brows today, but I'm gonna get this and draw a line. I'm gonna try to go for like thinner brows today. My freckles are coming out because I was in the sun yesterday, so now they're all out here. Now I'm going to just draw the top line. And then I'm going to very lightly fill in them all the way to like the front. I don't know, I was watching A Hotel for Dogs because I miss Disney Channel, and I came across that Emma Watson, is that, no, I'm dumb. Who's the girl from Scream Queens? Emma Roberts? I think it's her. Oh dang, her brows remind me of celebrities' brows. I don't know. And I was like, okay, I'll try to make my brows like that. So I'm trying to make my brows like hers. They're pretty dark and thin, and like, I don't know, I just got inspo. So guys, I'm editing on Final Cut Pro now, which is freaking amazing. I only have the trial version because I need to see if I like it, because I'm not about to drop $300 if I don't like a program. I like it a lot, so I'm pretty sure I'm gonna buy it after the 30 days is up. Okay, they look so uneven. Fun. I'm almost at 300K. Boy, that's so much. Like, I never thought I would be at 300K. I'm really like shook about that. And I've gotten there pretty quick too, and I'm pretty proud of myself. I've worked pretty hard. Now I'm gonna go into the Born This Way Naturally Radiant Concealer in the shade Light Medium, and ooh, it's blurry. Focus on my eye. Okay, there we go. This isn't my shade at all, but I like the concealer, so I'm gonna do that. And I'm not trying to go for like a really light look because it's spring, and spring in Texas is like summer. I think this also oxidizes, so like I'm about to have a really orange underbrows. I'm just going in with like a packing brush. See how orange that is on me? Oh well. And I haven't like cleaned under my brows in a while. Okay, I just messed up. Okay, it's not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be like so much worse. It's still pretty bad, but it's okay. I used this concealer a couple times. Okay, so I got my brows fixed up and they're kind of orange, but it's okay because I think the foundation is gonna fix that. So since this is spring, I don't really want a glam look, so I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape foundation, but the hydrating one. This is really good. This is also pretty hydrating, and I also didn't put on primer. So today I'm going to be using the Benefit Porefessional Primer and the Milk Blur Stick. I like to put the blur stick on my like cheek areas. I don't know, the ones that have a lot of pores. What is this right here? Your face? Like, I don't know what people call it. But I'm just gonna put that everywhere where I have bad pores. And I forgot to moisturize too, but I don't really need to moisturize everywhere. I just need to moisturize on this little patch here that is going away, guys. If you have dermatitis, the CeraVe PM facial moisturizing lotion is the best. Like, if you have dry patches that will not go away, this is the one to do. And then I'm gonna take the Porefessional Primer. It's kind of like the Milk Primer. Like, if you compare them, it's kind of the same, but it's more like silicone-y. And these both help like pores, or to minimize pores. So we're just like not gonna have any pores today. I need like a spray, so I'm gonna use the Hangover 3-in-1 Replenishing Primer. That squirts out a lot. And I basically just used that because my face was feeling a little dry. So now I'm gonna go into the Hydrating Tarte Foundation. And I'm not gonna use a lot of this, just a little bit, because I am going for that light look today. When I put on my foundation, I hate when it goes on my lips when I don't want to wear lipstick. So I start from like the bottom of my chin and then slowly go up the sides. And then I just like to get the red out. So I go on my cheeks and then my nose right here because there's redness. And this is how you like use a little bit of foundation without it being patchy. And then my forehead doesn't really need foundation, to be honest, but I just put it on there anyway. So yeah, I literally didn't use much foundation. Now I'm gonna go into this Nars Creamy Concealer in Medium. Medium isn't my shade, as we all know. That is so orange. I'm just covering up a little bit of places, so I don't want it to be like lighter than my skin tone. I guess, I don't know how to explain that. Like, I don't want the foundation, I don't want the concealer to be a different color than my face. I want it to be the same. I'm going to use a brush like this and go into the Airspun Loose Face Powder. Crap, I just got it all over myself. Just going to dip my brush in that and put it on my face. So yeah, I'm not gonna bake today. I'm just gonna like set my face with the translucent powder. So that's like the face-ish portion, the base. I'm going to bronze my face up now. So I'm gonna use the E59 brush from Morphe, and I'm gonna go into the Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil bronzer, and I'm just going to do like a 3 shape like Kim Kardashian says to do. I want to be pretty bronzed up because you don't want to be pale in spring, you want to be pale in winter. So I'm gonna create that fake jawline. You know what people should do? They should get tape and put it here and then do their jawline to make it look like they have a fake jawline. So that's one side of the face and it's a lot better. Okay, now I'm gonna move on to the nose. I'm gonna use the Real Techniques Expert Concealer Brush. It looks like this. It's like fluffy, but then also has like a thin shape. So I'm gonna go into the same bronzer that we've been using here, the mini size of the Too Faced one. And I like to start right here to first uplift the nose like that. And then I like to get some and put them on the sides of my nose. But you want to like bring it in so that you're pinching it and not making your nose bigger. And then I just run the rest over my eyebrows. Now I get a lot on my brush and I pinch it and I lift up my nose. Well, no, I go like this and then I cut my nose right here to make it look like we have a button nose, but we really don't. And then don't forget the nostrils, go on the side and then cut it from underneath and then just like blend out. Now I'm going to go into the Airspun powder and I'm gonna go on a little Morphe sponge on this end and dip it in the powder and put it on the places where you want to make it seem like that's the highlight of your nose, and then just a little bit on the bridge of the nose, and we just let that bake. So now I'm gonna do blush. And for blush, I'm using the Tarte blush in Seduce, because that one's pretty dark and I like it. I'm gonna go into this Juno & Co brush, the one we use to set our face with. Seduce is pretty pigmented. I just go like boo, 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 boo. A little goes a long way for this, and I like to put some on my nose. on my chin, forehead, eyelids. Yeah, like that. That's what I do with this blush. Look at my eyebrow. It's like so orange. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it's like pretty orange. Use a less orange concealer to do your brows because mine are pretty bad. And sorry for my voice. It's like, because I don't know. It's just been acting pretty sad. For eyeshadow, I'm gonna use the I Will Be Back. Okay, I'm using this color called Glitz from the L'Oreal X ColourPop little doggy saving trio thing. Not trio, it has 4 eyeshadows in it, and this is like a mauve color, so I'm gonna be using that for the eyelids today. Okay, so I'm gonna go into my E23. I thought this was an E27. I'm so dumb. And then I'm going to get that. These are pretty buttery, so you don't need a lot. And I'm going to pop that in the crease. And then I'm gonna drag it out. And then I'm gonna do that to the other side. You don't really need kind of a buildup of this color because I'm not doing much eyeshadow. I'm gonna go into a like denser brush right here, and I'm gonna go into that color again, but I'm gonna put it more in like the outer V. I don't know if I'm about to do yellow liner. Should I or should I not? Okay, I'm not gonna do it like a wing. I'm going to put yellow liner on the lid, so I'll zoom it in for y'all. I never done this before, so sorry if it looks bad. Yeah, just like that, I think. I'm not gonna move. Send help. That wasn't as hard as I thought it was gonna be. That isn't really the same. Now I'm gonna get a brush like this. It's called the M506. And I'm gonna go into a blush. We just used the Seduce blush by Tarte, and I'm just gonna take that and go under the eye because I honestly don't want to get that color out again. Okay. Let me zoom you out. Okay, put that up. Now I'm gonna put some lashes on. I'm thinking these right here from Zaful. Yeah, new merch, cutest merch in the game. Like, it's so cute. I've made this new merch and I love it. What the heck? It's so great. Y'all are about to cop all of it. I like this liner on my lid though. I'm pretty proud of myself too. There's like 5 inches between where that lash is applied and where it's supposed to be applied. And now I'm gonna use the Better Than, Mama Let Me Say It, mascara. My skirt. I'm gonna put that on to blend it with my natural lashes. It is all blurry. It's all blurry. I'm snotting, guys. Snotting out of my nose. Now, you may be asking, Haley, where is your eyelash curler? And I'm like, it's in my backpack. Because all I do during the school day is curl my lashes. And my eyelash curler is broken. So send a new eyelash curler in P.O. Box, link in bio. I have to flip it over and then like force it to fit in there and then curl my lashes with the opposite end. Like, it's actually pretty bad. So now I'm gonna curl them together. Maybe that'll like fix this huge gap. I uploaded a video. It was the haul. The Tommy Hilfiger Coach and Calvin Klein haul, and y'all's comments were funny on that video. Like, I was laughing when I was reading them. Y'all's comments were so good in that video, so I want to say a thank you for making me laugh. Meant a lot to me. Been going through tough times. This isn't as bad as I thought it was gonna look. I'm gonna get my Morphe Dark Room liner, and I'm going to line my waterline. Is this your waterline? Okay, but I'm going to use the white NYX Slide On Glide On Stay On and definitely a turn on waterproof Extreme Shine Eyeliner. That is a name. Like, who was in the room making this NYX liner and was like, you know what? Why don't we name it Slide On, Glide On, Stay On, and Definitely a Turn On Waterproof Extreme Shine Eyeliner? I mean, that's just, I want an interview with them. That's what I want. I look like an animator person. It's white eyeliner on. That's what they do, right? I don't know. Now I'm gonna get this glam liner from NYX Glam Liner Aqua Luxe Waterproof. And I'm going to take this. I'm going to put it in the inner corner of my eye. I'm going to use the Better Than Mom Let Me Sit Too Faced Mascara Skirt for the bottom lashes. Wow. I remind myself of Poppy. Hi guys. Hi, I'm Poppy. I'm Poppy. I'm Poppy. I'm Poppy. Baby, you're the highlight of my low life. Low life. Burr, 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 burr. Yeah, I'm taking Arbonne Vanilla Bean lip gloss thing, and I'm gonna put that on my lips because it regenerates them like no other. This reminds me of the Fenty Beauty Universal Gloss. And then I'm going to do highlight. Okay, this is supposed to be spring, but it reminds me of like glam. I'm gonna take some of that off my lips because it's actually so like distracting. Okay, yeah, that's great. It looks good. It's good. Are we done? I think we are done. Yeah, this is the look. If you enjoyed, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Follow all my socials. They will also be in the description down below. And I will see you guys next time. Bye. Miles away, yeah, I'm already gone. Just